Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the workbook lives in OneDrive or SharePoint so link sharing works reliably. Open the file in Excel or Excel for the web. Once open, click Share. Choose whether recipients can edit or view. This matters because edit links let others change data and view links keep your sheet intact. You should also set expiration or password now if needed, because it's easier to lock permissions before sending the link. Now you pick the precise link settings. Choose Edit if recipients must modify cells, or View if you want read-only access. For tighter security, choose specific people and enter emails. Once done, only those accounts can open the link. If you need broad access, pick anyone with the link but remember that is open. Make sure to toggle download or copy options and set an expiration date if you want temporary access. Copy the generated link and paste it into your email, Teams chat, or calendar invite. Explain the permission level so recipients know what they can do. Before sending widely, test the link in an incognito browser or a different account to confirm behavior. If someone reports access problems, make sure the file is still in OneDrive/SharePoint and that you granted access to the right addresses. If needed, regenerate the link or change the permission scope.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.